ओल्ड गोवा आयल्यात. इतल्या खातीर एक म्हणल्यार की आफ्टर बिकमिंग आर्कायव्ज एंड आर्किओलॉजी मिनिस्टर गोंय सायबाचे फेस्ताची नव्यानं सुरवात जावचे पयलीं म्हाका दिसता हांगा येवप हें म्हजें कर्तव्य जाता. फायनली गोंयकारपण म्हणजे आमी म्हणटात आनी हांगा आहा गोंयचो सायब. सो आय थिंक इट इज अवर ड्युटी टू सी दॅट दीस इज अ इम्पॉर्टंट श्रायन दॅट नीड्स टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड कन्जर्वड फॉर पोस्टेरिटी. आतां तातूंत थोडे इश्यूज आहा. वन इज अबाउट द सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर चॅपल एट द सेंट पॉल्स कॉलेज. ताजें it is lying in a state of neglect at the moment. We are going to initiate steps to see that things are put straight. It is conserved and protected. Number two, suggestion has once again come that the traffic which is now on in between the Sir Cathedral and the road has to be stopped. And I think there is a sense in this demand, because if we are talking about a protected monument and if you allow traffic like this in the very close vicinity of this monument, then the monument itself is at risk. So government, I am also personally of the opinion that we should seriously examine this. Third is there are certain issues with regard to the security aspects of this entire complex. So in keeping with trying to solve this issue, we will have to look at reducing the entry and the exit points so that the same is kept under surveillance. Whilst doing this, we will also have to consider that never there should be a possibility of a stampede or a panic amongst the devotees, especially during the exposition or during the novenas, during the feast. So this will have to be looked at holistically. We will also involve the police and the other security agencies. I cannot give a clear assurance on that because there will have to have a interdepartmental dialogue and work with them. But as far as archives and archaeology goes, our commitment to the Goencho Sahib and to the entire complex is 100%. We will start immediately with this Saint Francis Xavier Chapel restoration immediately, and other things will follow. We will seriously consider the demand for closing down the traffic in between and keeping it for restricted entry only for visiting dignitaries also and so forth, or in the rarest of the rare cases.
So this how much money will be required for that?
Whatever money, see, this is a priceless monument. गोंयांत अशें एक लोकांच्या मनान आहा की जे म्हणसर गोंयचो सायब आहा ते म्हणसर गोंय आहा. So I don't think we can count this with money.
So by
this is priceless. There is no problem about money. Money can be arranged for this. Before the feast, the chapel issue will be resolved. We will spend and we will have to do this immediately.